Now let's start by creating our products relationship. So first of all, let's create the relationship between the product, category and brands, because each product can only have one category and one brand. So first we will create this two relationship. Let's go inside our products model. Let's open the model, products model, and inside the product model we will create our brand and category relationship by typing public function. For the brand, I will give it a name of brand. Then inside this method you have to type return $. This belongs to now the model name. So I am going to create a relationship with the brands, and in the first parameter of the belongs to, I have to pass the brands model. So the name is brand. In here I will type brand, my model name, then colon class. After that, the foreign key. So inside my products, if I open my products table, in here as you guys can see, the name of this foreign key is brand ID. So I will type that. So let's type brand ID. And in the third parameter, currently the relationship between the products and brands is based on the ID of the brands. So if you choose another column, so you have to specify that in the third parameters like this. For now we will type ID. If it's by default the ID, so you don't have to type this. Laravel will automatically select the ID. Now let's create a relationship between our product and category as well by typing public function category, and inside this again we will type return $. This belongs to first my model name, category category model colon class, then the foreign key which is the category ID. That's it. Now the relationship between the product and categories have been created. So let's go to our products controller and access our products with the brands and categories. So let's go to the controller, product controller, and in here let's create a new method with the name of show, then item, get all our products and return them. That's it. Now let's create a route for this method as well, so we can access it by browser. So route web.php, and inside my products in here I will create my route show. Okay, this is done. Now let's go to the browser and show, enter. Okay, now in here we got all our products, but we did not got our category and brands. So to fetch the brand and category inside the controller method, we will type after the product and before the all we will type with, and in here we will pass the relationship that we want to fetch. For example, I want to fetch the brands. I will just type the name of that method. So in here the name is brand, copy and paste it in here and change all to get. Now let's go back, refresh. Now I got my product and also with the brand. So in here as you guys can see, the ID is 14 and here my brand ID is also 14. Now you guys can see all products came with the brand. If you want to fetch the category as well. You can do that also by just adding here a comma and passing the category relationship name. So category. Now save. Let's go refresh. Okay, now we got both the brand and the category with our products. Now we have successfully fetched the categories and brands. Now let's fetch the users. So let's create a relationship for the users or creator of the product as well. So let's create a new function with the name of creator, and inside here we will type return $sign this belongs to, then we will pass the user class, user colon class, then our foreign key. So in here our foreign key in the products table, the foreign key for the creator is created by. So I will copy this and paste it here. Now if you want to fetch the creator of the product as well, so just add the method name. Now let's go back to the browser, refresh. Okay, we got the brand, we got the category, and finally we got the creator of the product. So this is how you can create your one-to-one relationship if you are if you are storing the primary key of other table inside your table.